Shelf. Today, I'm gonna be reviewing the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. They look good, they look great. I got pink laces too, so let's get to it. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel, helps us grow. We're growing very fast, so thank you to everybody. So today we're gonna be reviewing the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. I'm super happy with how these turned out. They came out very nice. They came out a lot better than I thought, so I'm really proud about how they turned out. But first of all, if you're watching, make sure to check out my morning stream. I'm gonna be live streaming now every morning, 7 o'clock Western time, so then 10 o'clock East time out of the United States. If you're somewhere else, it'll be a different time, but that's a time, you know, Eastern Standard Time. That'll be 10 o'clock in the morning, so check that out. You don't want to miss that. But today, this is what we're going to review. So the brown leather, I've been getting lots of comments about the brown leather, and yes, I purposely wanted this brown instead of like a suede or something like that, but look at that, because it's like hand dyed, so I really like the finish of it. If we could just look at the toe as well, you know, it kind of gives it that natural look. I really like it. I got the leather right here, and so this is what it looks like when it's not a Jordan. And look at that, leather looks really nice. And so when I found this leather, this was at the local store, and I was like, I really like that leather, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Fast forward to about a month later, we got ourselves Jordans in our hand. So that's what they become. But for right now, so if we take a look a little inside, so everything is double stitched. I use brown stitch, white stitch, and black stitch on this shoe. Very simple, not too hard. The Nike sign obviously is black. We still got ourselves some heat ink that we got to take off, and all that I got to do, get a heat gun, and it comes right off. So that's cool about that. For the tongue's, you know, very standard. I'm gonna be laser engraving a little tab right there. I think that will be cool. But what makes them Travis Scott's, besides the backwards sign, we got ourselves backwards Nike sign, is what I think is very cool, is how we have the lines all up in here, all up in here, all up in here, you know? And then also, I didn't make it like seamless where it goes inside and out. I just stitched them together. So for this pair, I didn't add the pocket. I will be adding the pocket to future Jordans. I just didn't have any Velcro or anything. And the materials weren't working at the time, so I didn't do that. In the future though, I'll definitely be doing that, as well as putting a little laser engraved Cactus Jack right there, like the Reapers that I made earlier. You go check those videos out. Those are the old ones though. The black, gray, and white Travis Scott's. I did an embroidery on the back of the Cactus Jack dude. He was like, you know, so I thought that was cool, but I'll definitely be doing that on future pairs. Not this one though. I feel like this one is just very clean, simple. If we look over to the other shoe as well, just very nice. It's the same thing. But what I'm really proud about on this one is, like, you know how nice the toe is, how nice the back is, how all the stitching is very straight, especially for doing it with a single stitch. You know, sometimes it gets very hard. So let's see if we could just zoom into right there. So you know, it's straight everywhere, you know, even the wings. Look at the wings, you know. So go around, we got that stitch, the double stitch up here. I also managed to get the wings flush on each side. So that's something that's crazy as well, is that each shoe, the wings, you know, are perfect aligned with the front. Obviously they're supposed to be like that, but this is probably the best alignment that I've done so far. So that's a nice thing about these as well. They came out very nice. They're by far the best shoes that I've made to this date. I find myself, each shoe that I make is better than the last one. For example, the off-whites right over here, I thought those were the best ones that I made up to that date. These ones by far pass them up. So I've been getting a lot of questions as well. Would you suede them, stuff like that? No, I'm not into that. I just want to give a quick comparison real quick till we get back to the video. So this was like one of the very first videos that I posted on my YouTube. As you can see, the stitchings are super far away. Look at, some of them are even coming up, and they're just all horrible compared to where I'm at now. It's just totally a lot different, you know. Even the back stitching, they're so big, and as you can see, the stitches aren't even tied down. So I mean, that just shows a progression with my progress through over the time. Look at that, just some of the threads are coming up, they're really far apart, they aren't even tight. So this just shows a progression from like this, which I wish I still had more of this material, because then I would make these, or I'd finish these, but I'll definitely finish these in the future, some undefeated Travis Scott Jordans, compared to the quality that I'm at right now. This is what I meant it to look like. As you can see, brown, white, black, very simple. Yes, it's a different color than the Travis Scott, but I wasn't replicating the original Travis Scott, or else I would have tinted the sole, and I would have made the brown suede or something else, you know. So I'm not trying to copy it. I was just trying to make it look kind of like it, but I guess more of a simple way, more of an elegant way. I really like it though, because it looks a lot more natural, if you want to say natural. Here's the outside. Here's the inside. Just very basic soles. These came off of mid soles, or they came off of mids, and they were an ugly pair of orange and white Jordans mids. I don't think anybody would wear them. If you would, hey, shout out to you. You're a real trooper. But those ones, you know, they needed a better home, so those soles came on these bad boys. They were patent orange ones. I like patent. I think I'm gonna be doing patents very soon too. But for right now, these are them. Also, comment down below if you want to see Jordan 4s, Jordan 1 lows, maybe Jordan 3s, Air Force 1s for the next shoe, because we got to do a next shoe. And also, I'm going to be posting a podcast on Friday. So this will be coming out Wednesday. Friday, there's going to be a podcast. Also, every morning, there's going to be a live stream, as you remember. So tune into that. But this is my review. So what would I rate these? I'll start rating my shoes. So for this one, if I had to rate these, I'll rate these 8.7. So you got 8.7. No one could be 10. There's no shoe out there that's a 10, because it's impossible. You can't have a 10. So I'll give it an 8.7. For example, if I rated the off-whites that I made, I would rate those 8.5. 8.5 is good. 8.7 for these. You know, other shoes I made, they might be. Other shoes I made might be. But for right now, I'll give these an 8.7. I'll rate my other ones in the future too. But comment down below what you think about these, if you like them or not. Comment down below what you think about these. Let me know if you like them. If you don't like them, what would you change on them? Would you make them suede? Would you not make them suede? Would you make them a different color? I don't know, but let me know down below. Thanks for watching this video. Check out my live stream every Monday morning, or every morning, Monday through Friday, 7 Western time, 10 Eastern Standard Time. You want to check that out. Podcast on Friday. You don't want to miss that. I'm having lots of fun making videos every day. Hopefully, you know, you feel that way as well. Hopefully you're enjoying them. If you do, make sure to smash the like button. It really helps out the channel. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications. I'm making cool shoes every single day, so I appreciate it. Have a great day. Stay safe out there, and go check out the other videos. Okay, have a great day.